Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
It is to fill that position, the more people are going to pay for it. Electrical engineer, scientist, 75,000 euros, and the department will
to scoop debris as they search for any signs of life. Travelers at the airport taking cover under a counter, desperately waiting for the shaking to stop. Parts of the ceiling falling just feet away. Nearby, people...
Which in Harry's opinion made him look like a vicar. Pansy Parkinson, in very frilly robes of pale pink, was clutching Malfoy's arm. Crabbe and Goyle were both wearing green. They resembled moss-coloured...
You good?
Oh!
That's my job.
What are you doing?
At the trucks. I took a job on the interstate.
Get off your stupid phone!
That third shift really looked
Goddamn Dashcam, dumb. Go ahead, try it. Dashcam right here, baby. Come on. Dashcam right here, buddy. Dashcam. All over YouTube, buddy.
Dashcam right here. Smile. Got you on Dashcam, dumbass. Red light, dick.
Hey! Yo! Jesus Christ.
What are you doing? Like, that's the wrong side of the road. That's the St. Europe.
Nice light flow, dude. Yeah, way to go. More the light. Okay, Garmin.
There you go. Get the f*** out of the way!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.